David Cope, a famous educator, put forward a theory in 1984 that human learning is a cyclic process consisting of 4 steps: active experiment, take in action, concrete experience, gain experience, reflective observation, reflect and summarize, abstract conceptualization, form a theory to guide future actions. For example, we train a dog to pick up the balls. Active experiment, we throw the ball away. Concrete experience, give the dog a reward if it picks up the ball. Otherwise, no reward. Reflective observation, the dog summarizes how to get a reward. Finally, the dog develops its theory, get reward by picking up the ball. This 4-step learning process was named as Cope's learning cycle and is considered as the basic principle of learning. Based on the Cope's learning cycle, 4Paradigm turns AI development into a 4-step machine learning process. Behavioral data collection, corresponding to active experiment. Feedback data collection, corresponding to concrete experience. Machine learning, corresponding to reflective observation. Model application, corresponding to abstract conceptualization. Based on these 4 steps, 4Paradigm has designed an easy-to-use machine learning product, Hypercycle ML. Next, let's take a look at how Hypercycle ML helps formulate basketball game strategy. Basketball game not only tests the skills of players, but also requires flexible tactics which, in a rapidly changing competition situation on the field. In the NBA, tactics are vital to each team. Let's go back to the NBA regular season on April 13, 2016. Tonight, we play as the Jazz team to go against Lakers. We set the league's MVP Kobe as our key target to defend. Our purpose is to develop strategies to limit Kobe's effect. Who will be the main defense? Hayward, Favors, Burks, or Booker? Who will be the help defense? Who is going to get the rebound? Guard Kobe inside or outside? Whether to double-team him? Too many tactical options. It is too hard to handle these huge options. If there's a more efficient way to deal with the strategy selection, let's try Hypercycle ML, which is based on Cope's learning cycle. The key is to predict Kobe's shooting percentage under various tactical options and find the one with the lowest shooting percentage. How to do Hypercycle ML. It can simulate different situations and assist us in formulating basketball tactics scientifically and accurately. Want to try this powerful tool? First, let's start preparing our behavioral data. Literally, each piece of behavior data corresponds to historical behavior. Shooting is behavior in the basketball game. Therefore, behavioral data represents historical shots in a basketball game. Data such as player, action, area, location of the shots, longitude and latitude, defender, assist, basket distance, remaining time, battle team can be used to describe the shooting behavior. Kobe, jump shot, mid-range 33.9503 to 118.1588. Kendrick Perkins, Paul Gasol, 14 feet, 7 minutes 10 seconds. Celtics battle team is a piece of behavioral data corresponding to Kobe's 7 minutes and 10 seconds countdown shot in the 3rd quarter of Game 1 of the 2010 NBA Finals. Now we import all the historical shooting data of all NBA games before tonight, April 13, 2016. The next step is to collect feedback data, which corresponds to the results of behavioral data. One feedback data corresponds to one behavioral data. In the basketball game, the result of shooting is a hit or a miss. If Kobe scores, the feedback is a hit. Click the mouse to import the hit results of all NBA historical shots before tonight. Now the system has collected all the data. In just a few minutes, the system has explored and learned from massive data and constructed a model with incredible precision and complexity, which could take months for AI scientists to achieve. With it, we can easily predict the shooting results of both teams and know which tactical options will Kobe have the lowest shooting percentage. The answer is around the corner. Let's use the model to predict. Let's assume that there are 3 seconds left in the game. and the Lakers are 3 points behind. At the forecast page, we only need to import the shooting data of Kobe against the 4 defenders. With one click, we can get Kobe's hit results. After several experiments, Kobe's shooting percentage is 36.88%, 49.67%, 58.42%, and 56.13% respectively. Hayward gets the best results. He is our main defender tonight. Isn't it amazing? Not only defense, all aspects of core tactics, offensive tactics, team rotation, foul strategy, home and away factors, etc. can use this model to make accurate decisions. Besides, the use of Hypercycle ML can release a lot of learning time for team training to improve competitiveness. What are you waiting for? In just 4 simple steps, you can automatically explore massive data, dig deeper into potential rules, and easily find your road to an intelligent world. 4Paradigm Hypercycle ML simply makes your AI works. Apply for product trial right now.